GDJ Package 2. Now GDJ Package 2 is the 2.8 litre 4-cylinder 79 series. Package 2 includes our Just Autos multi-mapping, our Easy Lock, which is our converter lockup kit, Just Autos exhaust system with a Just Autos Airbox and Snorkel. Now, this kit is going to get you around about that 230 horsepower at the wheels from around that 160 horsepower what they are standard. The torque comes up around 150 to 200 newton meters. It's a really good gain in performance. The Easy Lock for the GDJ is a converter lockup kit that we put in. It's basically no wires, it's just software that we implement into the car and allows you to lock the converter for low speed and high speed lockup for your car. What this does is reduce transmission temperature, which is what we're continually trying to battle with, is reducing temperatures. So if you're towing or touring in your 79, you need an Easy Lock kit. The GDJ multi-mapping kit is cruise control on this model. We have stock mode, we have tow mode, and we have power mode. On the rest, we've got, Powers Plus with launch control, we have idle up function, and even a mobilizer. This exhaust system I have on this is a 4-inch system made by the boys at Fats. It's an awesome exhaust system. It's no V8, but it definitely sounds pretty cool for a 4-cylinder. The GDJ airboxes that we run this are made by FFM. It's an awesome airboxes using a 79 series VDJ air filter in it, coupled with a fat snorkel. Awesome in design, works really well, and is more than enough for airflow for that little turbocharger on that motor. Please get in contact with our guys at the front office. That's what they're there for. They've been more than happy to answer any of your questions or queries. Thanks very much.